So this nice artist lady's like, yo, dude, this garage door don't work for me no more. I need like a regular door. I'm like, I don't know, man. I'll think about it. She's like, well, here's the model number door. And I was like, holy shit, a customer that actually knows what they want. Yeah, I'll do it. So we took this door out here. We ripped it out. I used to work lone wolf style, but lately I fell in love with this man named Ranson. I love this guy. He's a good guy. Sometimes I like to put a Shrek filter on him for reasons that are obvious to everyone but him. Immediately ran into a little issue with the concrete at the old garage door, but I'm like, yo, I stayed grinding, dude. So I grinded that shit out and began the framing process. Especially with doors and windows, it's vital you get your studs as level as possible. Why don't you choke up on that hammer a little bit more there, buddy? The shades and beard give me a real Macho Man Randy Savage look today. Look, Mom, one hand. Tell me you don't see what I'm saying. Look at his little focus in his face. He's adorable, this guy. Anyway, the framing's done, so we began the sheeting process. Ranson got a new air nailer, and he's excited to use it, except he shot it all the way through the plywood because he missed the stud. We got the Tyvek paper up, keep the moisture out there, and now it's time to put in the windowsill. I go bottom, bottom, side, side. Do it right and let it ride. Seal it up. Do the sides. Do the top. Don't do the sill, because water's going to do what it will. It's going to drip, drop. So just the sides, just the top. Well, lady, you want the door and a window? Well, there's your fucking window. Nice and level, secure, sealed. So in one day, we ripped out the garage door, got the doors up, the window in, watered in. Man, we don't fuck around, dude. Ranson left me to insulate it because apparently I like to be itchy. I used a water-resistant drywall because it's a garage, a lot of moisture in the air. It's better be safe than sorry, I think. Ranson was messing around outside while I was doing the finishing. I'm better at finishing, but mainly it's air-conditioned inside. The next day, I started trimming out the windows and doors. This part I really actually enjoy. It let me get a little bit creative with it. Lately, I'm all about these corner blocks. I just think they look sexy. With the outside done, the inside's done. Just time to caulk and paint and get on out of here. It's a nice little job we got done in 4 days. The customer was nice. The customer was happy. But now it's time to head to a new village where the people need my help. So, see you later.